Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now in this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily install SSIS for reporting, extraction, transformation of data, migrating data, and just, you know, manipulating it for business intelligence. Now, the reason for this installation video or this guidance video is because I realized that while trying to install this add-on on Visual Studio 2022, I was kind of having some difficulty finding, compatible add-ons or extensions to basically implement the SSIS um, business intelligence. So this is to guide persons who may have been experiencing, you know, same issues that I was experiencing, are who are curious in implementing on 2022. All right, so the first thing we'd want to do is to first have an understanding of what it is that you're going to need. That way, it's easier for you to actually when I show you where you can go, you can just get it easily. So let's just go on Google, and I'm gonna type in SSBT. We can type in SSIS. All right, so preliminary steps you'd want to do is to actually install the data storage and processing um, workload within Visual Studio. So if you have not done that as yet, you can do that now, and by ensure that you check SQL Server Data Tools. All right. So when you're done with all of that, for analysis, integration, and reporting services, there are a few ways you can go about it. You can add it via extensions. Now, what extensions are, which is the route we're going to use, is a feature within Visual Studio where you can add add-ons and certain features to your Visual Studio. So you can add them onto your extensions, or you can actually go to directly to Marketplace. While you're in Marketplace, you have the various tools that you can um, download and then run and install onto your Visual Studio. Now, I normally go by updated date. That way, I get the most recent um, installment of the application or of the add-on or extension. However, as you can see, you don't see the reporting extension, and you don't see the analysis extension. So we'll be using the and as you can see here, this is the final product of me actually going through, but we're going to be going back, and I'm going to be creating without code, and then we're just going to go to extension. Let's go to extension, go to manage extension. And you're going to want to go, sorry, and you're going to want to type in SSBT, and it'll search. You can also type in SSIS. So you'll get the extensions, the most recent extensions. And once you click on it, it is going, because I already have it installed, um, it's gonna appear up. But so if I have it installed for analysis, I have it installed for um, the integration. So I'm just gonna click this to show you. So once you click that, it will download. All right, extension. Some of them may bring you over into. Some of them may bring you over into the browser. Okay. So some may bring over the browser, some may not. When I had installed these, they opened up the browser. So well, they downloaded in the browser, um, and I had to install it from my downloads folder, which I'm going to show you here. So you can see it. Well, I don't want to run that, but you can see where the files were downloaded. So it would be this, and this for the reporting. So as you can see, that would be the three services that you would need to actually add. So I hope this video was of assistance to you, and I hope you're able to actually complete this process like I was eventually able to do. And you can continue reading through documentations for any additional information. As I said before, this is all dealing with SSIS, but as you can see, the reporting service and the analysis service is just a little below it. So if I wanted to, I just click on it, and then I click get started, and then it will take me to a resource. Well, it would try and access that data which is outside of marketplace, because it's basically pulling from a server that's external to the marketplace. And then now it's here, and of course you just open. I run the installation, but I will not be running it because I already have it installed. So thank you for watching this video. Hit like, hit subscribe, and see you again. My next video will involve actually extracting data and doing migrations, performing ETLs, and we're just gonna have a lot of fun with the whole data business intelligence process. So thank you.